I believe that kindness is the language that the deaf can hear, the mute can speak, and the blind can see.
Ipaliwanag ang gandang uri ng katuturan. May isang kaharian o palasyo na nakatirig sa isang mataas na lupain. Para makaakyat at makapasok ka dito, ay di mo na kailangan ng hagdan, susi, mahika o kapangyarihan. Sa simpleng pagbati at katok, bababa ang hagdan, bubukas ang pinto at sasalubungin ng hari at reyna na may-ari ng kaharian. Para sa iyo, ano ang ibig-ibigay na kahulugan ng katuturan na ito?
Maraming salamat po sa napakagandang katanungan na ibinigay niyo po sa aming mga 5 kandidata. Now, for me, the essence of that adage or that saying or that specific scenario for me is that it teach us good deeds in life. For me, it's symbolically telling us that kaharian is the heaven. We don't need a ladder. We don't need anything that can help us to reach that heaven or that kaharian. Because as the adage says, you just need to greet someone, you just need to smile, you just need to be kind, or in short, you just need to be a good people. I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that symbolic saying is always telling us na ang gulo-gulo na po ng mundo natin. Napakagulo, ang daming chaos, ang daming nangyayari. Pero ang dapat po nating ninanamnam dito sa ating mundong ginagalawan is that the kindness. For I believe that kindness is the language that the deaf can hear, the mute can speak, and the blind can see. I believe, ladies and gentlemen, this is the last part of the pageant. Let us not be plastic. Let us put in our mind and our heart the essence of that saying. And I want to end my answer that as a people, you should remember this. In kindness, you can do no wrong. Thank you so much.